everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I'm bringing you guys the coupon preview for Sunday, September 20th. We are getting 3 inserts, one Retail Me Not, a Retail Me Not Unilever, and a Smart Source. Now just give you guys a heads up. This website is called SundayCouponInserts.com. Everything that you see on this website is not everything that you get. Over the time that you guys have couponed more and more and more, you will realize what's available and what's not available in your area. Every coupon is pretty much regional. Some coupons suck that we don't, some people get them and some people don't, but that's just how things roll. I've learned to deal with it, or I usually rely on digital or printable coupons. So, giving you guys a heads up with that, but here we got the Retail Me Not number 1. Tea Relief, Benadryl, Dunkin' Donuts, $1, Dunkin' Donuts, buy one, get one free. Coupon, Frank's Red Hot Sauce, $1.50 off of 2. Gray Away, Lipton Tea Bag, 75 cents. Midnight, Persil, we're getting $2 off coupons and $3 off coupons. I see, that's one thing I never get, is I never get the Purell. I'll never get the Purex coupons. But we got $1, $1, $1. So definitely try to get some of those coupons. Renews It, we got a buy 4, get 2 free coupons. So you guys definitely want to go ahead and use that. $2 off diffuser. Snuggle products, we got $1. Suave, $1.50. Whole Earth Sweetener, $1.50. Zyrtec and Zyrtec. Here is Retail Me Not number 2. Caress Body Wash, we got $1. Degree Men, $1. Degree Men, 50 cents. $1.25, $1. Now we got Dove, $2, 75 cents. $1, $1.50, $1.25 for deodorant. Polish Wash or Body Polish, $1. Dove Hair Care, 3 off of 2. Dove Men, 4 off of 2. Dove Men X Degree deodorant, 4 off of 2. Good coupon. Lever 2000. I don't know. $1. Nexus shampoo, $5. 7th generation hand soap, 50 cents. Or we got laundry, $2. And Shea Moisture, $5 off of 2. Say Knives, $1. Suave Body Wash, $1, 50 cents. We got Suave Professionals, buy one, get one free. Another Suave Professionals, $2. $3 off of 2, $1. $2 off Tresemme, 3 off of 2 Tresemme, and Vaseline Lotion, $2. So, I know for a fact I'll get all those coupons, which is awesome. So definitely go ahead and get some Unilever. Go ahead, there's some be really good deals for you guys. You got AccuVive, I can't even pronounce it. I'm sorry, you guys. Yeah. Allegra Afterlife, Magdalene Atkins, Blink, Digestive, Genadol, Irwin, John Frieda, $3, $2, $3, and Mega Red, 5, 3, Nasacort, 4, 8, Natrol, 2, 5, yeah, 5, Quaker Oatmeal, $1, 50 cents for squares, $1 off for the oatmeal, 60 cents for Red Gold, Russell Stover baking chips, $1. Russell Stover sugar-free candies, $1. Skintimate razors, $3. I used to get Skintimate all the time in my area, and now I no longer get those. Crazy, right? Visine, $1. Vivian, wonderful pistachios. Now those don't expire till almost Christmas, so basically use those because you guys can get them for some Christmas deals. Zyzl, and Zyzl. So those are the inserts that we are getting. Please, again, remember everybody gets different inserts, but just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.